everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get and install Disney Plus on your Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet. This is really easy to do because it's simply just in the App Store. So if we go back to the home section right here and then locate the App Store, let's select this. Now let's go back to the home page here and then go to the search icon right here and select this. Now go ahead and just simply type in Disney Plus. So let's type in Disney and then it should show up. You might have to type in plus as well. Then press enter. And here's all the different applications. So this is the app we want, Disney Plus, with the plus icon. So we can simply download it right here. Now go ahead and select Get right here in the upper right side of the screen. And this is the application we want, Disney Plus. It's got about 1 million reviews or downloads. Now if we go back to the home screen here, it should show up under this section if we continue to scroll down. Otherwise, we can go over to Library, and it should show up under Apps right here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.